Now I can search icons for the markets that I'm targeting. So I'm targeting restaurants. Go to graphics. And this is the classic plate. So it does kind of show a restaurant. And I like that I can customize the colors as well. So I'm going to keep that. This, however, is a better representative of a restaurant. So probably this. And then I'm also going to target people. So day-to-day customers. I'm going to stick with this one for now. But I do need to look for one that is just line art because it wouldn't go well with this and the other ships that I'm planning to bring. And if you do have a graphic in mind already, you could just bring it over, save it without a background and bring it over. That's also an option, but I like to use Canva's resources. There we go. Let's see. So I want to try something. I don't like that it's only 2 people. I could try making a copy. And let me zoom in. I like odd numbers, so maybe I could crop it. And then I can also replace the lines in there with covering it with a white circle, so I can do that. You just have to be creative when you don't find something that you're looking for. So make the circle as big as their head. Send it backwards. Oh, that goes. It's not the right size. Okay, that's better. Copying this and pasting it for the other guy. All right, so that's what I'm looking for. This one's all right. Now I'm also targeting companies that produce fruits or vegetables. So fresh produce companies. I'm just going to search maybe fruit, graphics, and apple is a good representative of fruit. So now I'm noticing that these guys are much thicker than the 2 other icons that I have. So Gonna go back to here, search people. What if maybe I can crop this. That's a better idea. So changing the colors to all right. So paying attention to small things like this also makes your work stand out. And there we go. All right, and then just gonna write their name. So day-to-day customers, or I could even write you, for example, to make it more direct. But I'm just gonna write people, restaurants, and fresh produce market. I'm targeting the whole market to change kind of fresh produce, and I don't want them to be in caps lock, so let me see if there's an option for me to change that. Yes, so I can try maybe or maybe customers. Well, let's see. I'm just gonna go with people. Okay. You can also add a border for these shapes. But let's see. Let's go to elements. See what I have in the start. All right. So let me come here again. Go to my brand identity. Copy and bring it over here. And I'm going to send this back. This is a little too thick. So let's try. So it's a little too thick. I'm going to try to send it backwards right here. Okay, there we go. Copy it and paste it for the other ones. All right. The placement is a little off. There we go. And same for this one. Okay. Bring these a little lower. Okay. I'm gonna move this down. group these. Bring this back up, and then now work on the placement. Can make this a little larger. Okay, so this is good for now. In the next part, we'll make a third version of a roadmap.